Hello my dears, my 10th graders, welcome again to a new lesson. I hope you are all doing fine and I miss you so much. I hope that you are studying and following with me with the material that we introduce on YouTube. Now, in this lesson, we will move to the guided writing. If you remember, I told you before that we will introduce the guided writing when we finish the grammar about relative clauses. Now, we have finished before the relative clauses and we did exercises on them, as you can see on YouTube. Now, in this lesson, we will introduce the guided writing, how to have the guided writing or how to do the guided writing correctly. So follow with me. So our lesson will be about the guided writing, the writing that you have the whole information and you should put them into two sentences as a paragraph or as a piece of writing, depending on what you have in this writing, what are the information that you are going to write about. Now, as you can see, this is the form of the guided writing, that you have a chart and you have a title, then you have 3 points or 3 verbs or 3 sentences or 3 verbs. Yes, you will make them into sentences. Now, the box that you have, it has a title, which is how to keep brains active. After the title, what do we have? You have learn a language, play chess, do puzzles. So you will have a title and 3 points. This is the first form. It starts with how. Now, to do the guided writing from this box, what do you do? Number 1, you put, as you can see in red, there are many ways. Now, there are many ways. Now, ways here instead of how. So you delete how and put ways. So we put, there are many ways. Then you put the title. What is the title? How to keep brains active, but we deleted how, so we put there are many ways to keep brains active. Now, then you put such as, so you have there are many ways to keep brains active, such as. Now you add what? The first sentence, which start with learn a language. We will make it into sentence by adding ing to the verb. Now the first verb is learn, so we say there are many ways to keep brains active, such as learning a language. Learning a language, we add ing to the verb learn. Then you add and, as you can see in the color red. And now play chess. Yes, we put play chess by add ing to play so it gonna be, or it becomes playing chess. So we have there are many ways to keep brains active, such as learning a language and playing chess. Now full stop. Now we still have the last verb. We'll make another sentence. We start with doing puzzles. Doing puzzles, we add ing, then we add is another way. Doing puzzles is another way. Then we add the title. Of course, we have deleted how. So, doing puzzles is another way to keep brains active too. We add to, as you can see here in front of you. Now, the same examples and I did it for you. So, the question will be, read the information in the tables below and then write 2 sentences about how to keep brains active. Use the appropriate linking words such as and also. Now, the box that you have, how to keep brains active, and here you have, it is the title. You have 3 verbs, learn a language, play chess, do puzzles. How to make the guided writing from this box? You start with there are many ways. Now ways, we said that instead of how, so you delete how. There are many ways. You complete the title to keep brains active. Then you add such as. Now you add ing to the first and second verbs. Learning a language, you combine them but adding what? And. So, such as learning a language and playing chess. Now we have finished the first point and the second one. We still have the third one. Do puzzles. So we start doing puzzles. We add ing to the verb. Doing puzzles is another way to keep brains active too. Then we add it means that we add the third point to the first and the second. So by adding these steps or doing these steps, you made the guided writing from a box that starts with how. Now, example, read the information in the tables below and then write 2 sentences about how to improve your English. Use the appropriate linking words such and also. So here we have another title, how to improve your English. The 3 points that you have: read as much as you can, listen to the news, and watch English movies. Again, remember that how equals ways. Instead of how, we put what? Ways. Now, we should follow the steps that I introduced before. How to improve your English. This is the title and you have read, listen, watch. So we start with what? Do you remember? In red. Yes. There are many ways. Then you add the title to improve your English, such as reading as much as you can see and listening to the news. Now the third one, watch, it becomes watching because we add ing to read, listen and watch. Watching English movies is another way because it's singular, is another way to improve your English. The rest of the title. Watching English movies is another way to improve your English too. So the answer or the correct way is, as you can see, there are many ways. Then you add the title without who. Again, without who, because instead of, without how, because instead of how, we put ways to improve your English, such as. Now we put such as, then you add ing, reading as much as you can, and you add and, listen, it starts to be listening to the news. Watch, it should be watching English movies is another way. Then you complete the title to improve your English too. So, by the end of this video, I hope that you enjoy the guided writing. It's very simple, very easy. You should only practice more and more on it. And remember that this is the first way, or this is the first form for guided writing, when it starts with how. So I hope you study well, focus a lot, and follow the whole information that I give you. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.